So, welcome to Legless Not Lifeless, living the nightmare, sharing the dream. I'm just going to do a really quick tray break that everybody at work loves, and it's my take on Rocky Road. So it's like a healthier version. So we need some, this is just my favourite cereal, so red fruit, a packet of chocolate peanuts, a packet of chocolate raisins, 300 grams of dark chocolate and some mini marshmallows. So first of all, you want to melt that chocolate. I melt mine in the microwave. You just have to be really careful that it doesn't burn, like taking it out. I leave it 60 seconds first time, and then I'd kind of do a burst of 20 or 30 seconds. So then what I do is I put red berries. It's me, so I never measure anything. So I put my red berries into a bowl. Look at that chocolate, gorgeous. Red berries. And I add the chocolate. And I mix all the ingredients in, and then I just put it in a baking tray with some parchment paper to set, and then you kind of break it up. I'll show you it once it's all mixed together. Cheers. So here we go, this is what it looks like once you pressed it all into the tin. You've got your dark chocolate, your red berry cereal, your raisins covered in chocolate, so you're not taking much more chocolate. There was peanuts covered in chocolate, but I found an open packet of M&Ms, so they went into the peanuts, because let's add variety, and the mini marshmallows. And it's all in the tin. I just need to leave it to set, and then take it into work in a couple of days, if there's any left, of course. Thank you.